I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I make my bed with pleasure. I make my bed with pleasure. I draw the curtains. I draw the curtains. I brush my teeth carefully. I brush my teeth carefully. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. I take a shower every morning. I take a shower every morning. I comb my hair neatly. I comb my hair neatly. I put on clean clothes. I put on clean clothes. I make breakfast for my family. I make breakfast for my family. I make coffee for myself. I make coffee for myself. I wash the dishes after eating breakfast. I wash the dishes after eating breakfast. I clean the kitchen countertop. I clean the kitchen countertop. I sweep the floor every day. I sweep the floor every day. I mop the floor every day. I mop the floor every day. I mop the floor after sweeping. I mop the floor after sweeping. I take out the trash. I take out the trash. I wipe the window every week. I wipe the window every week. I dust the surface. I dust the surface. I organize the fridge when it is messy. I organize the fridge when it is messy.
I water the indoor plants twice a week. I water the indoor plants twice a week. I fluff the cushion. I fluff the cushion. I vacuum under the bed. I vacuum under the bed. I iron the clothes carefully. I iron the clothes carefully. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.